Wait, stop scrolling. What if I told you the internet is hiding a secret? These 7 free AI tools are so powerful, they feel like you're breaking the rules. Seriously, how are these free in 2026? We're talking about generating full movies from a single prompt, coding entire applications with zero technical skill, and turning pennies into a fortune using AI prediction. No gatekeeping here. I'm about to show you the absolute cutting edge. Let's dive in. First up, forget 5-second video clips. Welcome to GenFilm 2026. What it does: this tool takes your wildest text descriptions and turns them into full, high-definition cinematic movies. We're talking script, characters, dialogue, music, and consistent camera angles, all from one prompt. Who it's for? It's a complete game changer for content creators, aspiring filmmakers, and storytellers who don't have a Hollywood budget. Why it's powerful: it removes all barriers to entry for visual storytelling. No cameras, no actors, no expensive software. Just your imagination. The output quality is nearly indistinguishable from professional CGI. Example use case: instead of just summarizing a book for your YouTube channel, you can literally generate a 10-minute animated summary of the main scenes. Tool number 2 is CodeWeaver Pro. What it does: this AI writes and deploys complex software. You don't need to know Python. You don't need to know what API stands for. You just describe the app you want, and it builds it. It handles everything from the user interface to the backend database integration. Who it's for? This is for the visionaries, entrepreneurs, and dreamers who have app ideas but couldn't afford developers. Why it's powerful: it completely shatters the technical wall. An entire industry. Custom software development is now democratized. What used to take months and $50,000 now takes 30 minutes and is entirely free. Example use case: want to build a niche social media app for plant parents? Describe it to CodeWeaver and you'll have a functioning beta app by the end of the day. Next, we have MarketMind Alpha. Okay, this one definitely feels illegal. What it does: this AI analyzes millions of data points from news sentiment to arcane chart patterns and predicts short-term stock and crypto market movements with terrifying accuracy. It simulates thousands of trading scenarios instantly. Who it's for? It's for anyone trying to navigate the complex world of finance, from casual investors to side hustlers. Disclaimers are essential here. This is for education, not financial advice. Why it's powerful: this used to be the exclusive domain of high-frequency trading firms on Wall Street. Now, that predictive power is in your pocket. It gives retail investors information that was previously impossible for a human to calculate. Example use case: before buying any asset, you query MarketMind Alpha. It might warn you 89% probability of a price drop in the next 4 hours due to sentiment shift in Asia. That single warning saves you money. Let's talk music and voice. Say hello to Audio Maestro. What it does: it's a 360-degree audio studio. Audio Maestro generates complete, original music tracks and photorealistic AI voices from simple text cues. You can generate a full album of synthwave music or a perfectly narrated audiobook using a synthetic voice. Who it's for: musicians, podcasters, YouTubers like me, and audiobook narrators. Why it's powerful: the quality is the illegal part. The instruments sound authentic and the voices have perfect human intonation. It eliminates the cost of studio time, session musicians, and expensive voice actors. Example use case: a small video game developer needs a complete soundtrack and voice acting for 5 characters. Audio Maestro handles the entire audio department for $0. Moving into education, here is Deep Learn Academy. What it does: forget static textbooks. This is an infinitely patient, personalized AI tutor for any subject. It assesses your current knowledge level and then explains complex topics like calculus, philosophy, or coding in the exact way you learn best. It uses visuals, analogies, and quizzes tailored to you, who it's for: students, lifelong learners, and professionals upskilling for new careers. Why it's powerful? This is the realization of perfect, accessible education. One-on-one personalized tutoring used to be a luxury of the wealthy. Now, everyone has a Nobel Prize winning professor in their pocket, available 24/7. Example use case: you are struggling with molecular biology. You tell the AI, "I don't understand cellular respiration." Deep Learn doesn't just show a diagram. It builds an interactive simulation based on your previous questions. This next tool is pure magic for history buffs and writers: ChronoWriter. What it does: ChronoWriter accesses massive historical data sets and generates text in the voice and style of any historical figure or time period. It's not just mimicking vocabulary, it understands the specific context, knowledge, and thought processes of that era. Who it's for: novelists, screenwriters, history teachers, and curious minds. Why it's powerful: it brings history to life in a way that feels dangerously real. Historical fiction suddenly gets a massive injection of authenticity. It's like interviewing the past. Example use case: a scriptwriter is working on a movie set in ancient Rome. They use ChronoWriter to generate authentic political speeches and personal correspondence, ensuring historical accuracy that astounds audiences. Finally, for the creators in the physical world, we have Neural Design Architect. What it does: this tool converts text prompts directly into complex, production-ready 3D models. Forget weeks of learning CAD software. You describe the object, the aesthetic, and the function, and the AI designs the model, complete with structural engineering checks. Who it's for: product designers, architects, inventors, and hobbyists. Why it's powerful: it turns an idea into a physical reality almost instantly. This is the Industrial Revolution for personal fabrication. You describe it, the AI designs it, you click print. It collapses the product development cycle from months to minutes. Example use case: an inventor has an idea for a more ergonomic computer mouse. They describe it to Neural Design Architect, and by the afternoon, they have a design they can 3D print and test. 7 tools, 0 cost, full-blown creative and financial power. Remember, these are the tools shaping the future in 2026. The real power isn't in knowing about them. It's in using them before everyone else catches on. I will link all these free tools in the description below so you can try them for yourself. We are covering new AI tools that redefine reality every single week. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and go build something that feels illegal.